Hi everyone, it's Eddie again, and I'm back with another fun, quick, easy project for your junk journal. This is my junk journal envelope project. And as you can see, it's got all sorts of decorations on it, and then got a little tie here. And this is, I didn't fill it yet, but oh my God, you could fit a lot of stuff in here. Look how large the oak that is. And this is fun, and you can decorate it whatever you want. You can make it a theme. So I'm gonna show you how to make one of those today. And so what you're gonna need is a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, scrapbook paper. You're going to need, and you can, this will make two. So you're gonna take your 12 by 12 paper and you're gonna cut it down the middle. So you've got two sections, right? So then you've got, okay, so let's start again. You're gonna need scrapbook paper, a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. You're going to need some decorations, maybe a corner punch, some 4 squares or 4 circles punched out. So you're gonna need 4 of these little circles for each envelope. And then you're gonna need some string, some brads, and then a, what else? Some ink, and that's it. Did I mention string? Oh, and lace, a little lace border. So let me show you. Now this is the other half to this sheet. So when you cut them in half, it's gonna look like that, okay? And what you're gonna do, I had measurements for this and I don't know what I go with them. Let me see here. Okay, so you're gonna cut it at, like I said, in half. You have your sheets here, and then you're gonna score it at 6 centimeters down and then 20. So 6, 20. If you don't have a scoreboard, just make your marks at the correct measurements. And then what you do is you take your ruler, and you can use a bone folder too if you have a bone folder. And just go right there, and then just go all the way down, maybe 2 times, and then you can get a score mark that way. And then and you get your envelope. And all you do is you round the corners, 4 corners, ink it up, fold it, and there you go. But before you glue anything down, you want to make sure that you get here in the flap, I got a hole, I punched a hole in the center. I just used an awl, one of these guys. Put the hole in the center, and I roughly kind of just went, you know, measured across and then down, found the middle. And then I closed it, and then I could figure out where I wanted the second brad to go. So you get your 2 holes there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 2 holes that are gonna show, ink them up, and then I get a little hole in the center of those. You put your brad through that. You put it through here, spread out the wings, and then you're gonna take your second piece and you're gonna glue that over, because that way it won't show. But also when you're doing the one for the bottom portion, that is going to, if you don't put a cover on it, it's gonna interfere with the papers you're putting in or whatever you're putting in. So you're gonna wanna cover that, and you wanna do that obviously before you glue it all down. Otherwise, it's gonna be very hard to do. Haha, glue. That's just my glitter glue. And then just kind of hold it firmly and press it down to make sure that it gets really attached and you get that, cover up the brad. So there you go. Now this one, it still spins. It's not glued down. And that way you can get your string around there. So let's do the bottom one here. Like I said, these are fun, quick, easy projects that you can do. You can mass make. You could theme them to whatever, you know, your book is themed, your junk journal. These are great for Happy Mail, and you can fill them up with all sorts of goodies. Where's my pen? There we are. So I've been using this a lot, so I gotta keep going in there and clearing out the clouds. It is warm today, and I'm in the air conditioning, but I'm next to a window and I can feel it. I can feel the heat. I just went out a little while ago too to grab a delivery that was made, and it was already steamy, and I don't even think it's 11 o'clock yet in the morning. So that goes to show you what we're in for the day here in good old Beantown. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and ink. I didn't ink this one. But yeah, do your brads before you glue anything down and get that out of the way, because I almost forgot on this one, and I stopped right before putting the glue down. It's like, oh no, I can't cover it and put the brad in if it's all glued down. And FYI, I'm using Tim Holtz background paper, you know, scrapbook paper from one of those big pads. But use whatever you got. If you have, like I also have some Christmas scrapbook paper I use sometimes if, you know, I want to make something and I want to use it up. Just cover it up. You can collage over it. Make yourself a little master board. You can paint it. I know my friend Julie Torrens, she's great at that. She'll paint her master board with acrylic paints and get it looking really good. I recommend you going over to her channel and check it out. Her name is Julie Torrens, and I will link her down below. And she makes a lot of cute, fabulous stuff. She even has printables now at pmartiststudio.com that you can get of her watercolors, and they're just really fabulous. All right, inky dinky. And we're inking just certain parts inside, because obviously in here you're really not going to see. Yeah, so maybe a little bit here. There we go. Inky dinky dinky. That's just my the vintage photo. Distress ink. Okay, so you got your envelope. We got put some string in there. Let's glue down. Let's glue down. Everything will stop falling over. Our lace. This is just some cotton lace. I think Maya sent me this. Yes, Maya sent me this from Oakland. And I just coffee dyed it. It was kind of beige. I just soaked it in some dark coffee and dried it out. And I'm going to cut that there. And for this, I'm going to use the Fabric Fix. And just run a little bit down. You don't need a lot, just a little bead of glue. Take your finger, smoosh it out, and then lay down your trim. You can use a ribbon. You don't have to put a trim. I thought it was something cute, little extra bits. I think we can go ahead and glue this down. So I'm just going to glue on the bottom part, down the edge. Oops. 1 and 2. There you go. You got your envelope. Let's get a string in there. Not you, just a string. And this is just friendship thread that I got from somebody in Happy Mail. Oh, geez, I'm going to forget her name. I want to say it was Colleen. I think it was Colleen who sent me this. I'm sorry if I got the name wrong, but I was very grateful. This stuff is great. So here we go. Let's just get, here's what I'm going to do. If I can get the string under here that I'm struggling with, all right, just wrap it around a couple times. And then get this one going. Down, over, down again, over, and then maybe one more time. There you go. Isn't that easy? So quick, so easy, and it fits a lot of stuff. And then decorate it however you want, or leave it plain. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you make some of these. Let me know if you do. And have fun with it. Decorate it however you want. And just, get as wacky as you want. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.